So we just wanted to share something new that we've done recently that hasn't been without its challenges, but we reckon it's been really worthwhile. We've also included 5 tips at the end, just in case we've inspired you to try something similar. So we decided to see if we could run a branding workshop just using Zoom.
What do we mean? Well, it was to create a brand blueprint, getting all the fundamentals down and agreed by the key stakeholders. Its brand purpose, vision, mission, its core target audience, brand positioning, brand values, and brand personality or tone of voice. Normally, agreeing all of this with just a half-day session would be pretty ambitious, but we had to do it all over Zoom. And to be honest, we let everybody know that it just might not work. It might be a complete waste of time.
So, by the way, this is an organisation that has been around for over a decade, but it just wanted to raise its profile, and to do that we really needed to nail these key things. So, was it easy? No. It was exhausting. You have to listen really hard to pick up on nuances that might be a lot easier in person. And of course, dogs, doorbells, dodgy connections. There was a lot going on that disrupted our flow. Would it have been better face-to-face? Maybe. It's definitely hard to manage the flow, interactions and energy levels when you're not all in the same room together.
But did it work? Yes, it really did. The output of the workshop, once all processed, was just a single piece of paper. But that one page is the hymn sheet that everyone can sing from. It's the briefing document for staff, agencies and other third parties. And it's the touchstone to check everything you're doing and keep it on track. The client was so pleased with the results that we've already done another one, just to check that it wasn't a fluke. This time for a tech startup that just couldn't pin down its strategy and positioning.
So after hours of this digital workshop and a few more hours of pondering, we've got something that we're happy with and all the stakeholders are bought into. So for us, this is something new that lockdown has definitely forced us into and that we wouldn't have done otherwise, but we're really excited about it. And a few things that we've learned already.
Plan really well and think everything through in advance. It's really hard to improvise when you're not in the room with people.
Have an easy to use way of capturing notes. We use a shared Google document and just take it in turns. Whoever's leading the session, the other person would take the notes.
That said, record the session so you can go back and check if anything doesn't make sense afterwards.
And yeah, make sure you take regular breaks as well. It's really hard work, even though it doesn't seem like it should be. And everyone needs to just stop now and again, take enough time to pause and digest everything that's been spoken about so you can carry on fresh.
Manage expectations. This probably will be a step into the unknown, and you need a client who's prepared to give it a go without expecting the world. But the results can be amazing, and we'd thoroughly recommend you have a go. If you've tried running any workshops online, we'd love to know how you got on, and if you've got any tips that you could share back with us.